Alright, today is August 14th. Yeah. And this is about 9:25 a.m. in the morning and I'm at Matsumoto Okazuya and restaurant. You know? Yeah, there was a recommendation site said, okay, I didn't have breakfast, so I'll stop by here. Yeah, starting out today. Alright. Hi. Oh yeah, not Shave Matsumoto's Okazuya kitchen. Alright, so, oh yeah, got my payment ready. Alright, so they don't have parking, it's just a street parking right here. You know, but there seems to be a pretty good amount on the street here and there. Yeah, alright, so I'm just gonna go in and, yep, so they got well, some stuff. Take a look. Okay, hi. Oh, okay. I would choose one moment. Let's go take a look real quick. Yeah, they still got selections over here. And oh wow, they got dining. Maybe I can eat over here. There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. So here's the menu area. Wait, let's see. Bento, bento, Matsumoto, bento, Tyler, bento. Keiki bento, large bento, chicken katsu bento. Can daily place, because we have starches, protein. Okay, garlic shrimp, chicken katsu, mochiku chicken. Kalbi, barbecue mix, kalbi, chicken. Chicken katsu. Oh wow. Okay, which one's good? Alright, let's go take a look. So, what would be good for breakfast?
Breakfast? You could make your own plate, but the bentos are always good.
Bentos. Okay. Chow fan, roommate Tyler bento, Taylor bento, fish bento, keiki bento, and okay. Chow mein, fish bento is chow mein, white rice, miso, butterfish, teriyaki beef, poke, fried oyster, tofu nugget. Okay. Yeah, I'll try that. And then, oh, they got some drinks over here. And then, oh yeah, the seating area. Alright, so I'll take fish bento.
Fish bento?
And then drink, so, okay. I'll take, I guess, a good one. Okay, I haven't had Diet Coke in a long time, so yeah, Diet Coke. Alright, so I'll continue once I get my food. Alright, here we go. I got my food. And, okay, today, yeah, they didn't have the butterfish, they got the salmon. So, here's my fish bento. Salmon. And, what is this? Terry burger. Yeah, I think. Terry beef. Oh, fish cake. Seasoning is good. Mm. this? Okay. Chow pan? Oh, chow mein. Yeah, chow mein.
Before Vineyard. I seen the place. I think I know the place. I remember seeing the drive past. I seen a plane time where my driver. It looked like an old school.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. I see. With everything, yeah.
Wow, it's a nice breakfast system. Yeah.
We tried
Yeah, it's just like fish taste also. With a tomato sauce.
oh, it's not a house, but even the one that you said, it's like that one. I don't know, it's like almost like a Calvin sauce. I really said. Yeah, but I'm just getting to go down there. Fair enough.
Yes, yes.
That's for like catering.
Now this is pretty good.
That like when people are that's like catering. Also like for events. You guys put like right there. Solid. Thank you. some pictures for it. And make a sample. Make a sample of each one. And put them behind the glass. Because I think stay out low. Because they think, oh. So looking sample right there. They're going to try them. I just threw it. You might want to put more rice. Because maybe 50.
For the steak and shrimp, you need it back today.
Alright.
Order chopstick?
Yeah, I was hungry. Kind of finished faster than I thought.
Yeah. No problem.
Wow. Alright. Alright. Done my breakfast done for the day. Well, thanks for watching.